Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to Amabanza to TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. I'm joined by
Mwanamme.
yeah.
Bona. Oh, banna ke kopa uwa.
Wabuti.
Ke nna na le mfela tshwanelo le power ya uwa ka Masandawana.
Yeah.
Bonang he. Lona ma Kaizer Chiefs. Bana ba the Mountain of Molotov. Lona ba etang the triple K le tsa dipalo. Ka jeno re le shapile e bile re le hlotse. Bona draw is the draw.
Yeah.
Santa re tlo kena ho lona ra le batla bana beso e bile ke ke be ra qeta ka lona. Bona this is the number 1 world class team. Bona e ba petse cafe ya bapala le helanhle ema Rona re tapa ya setjhaba.
Yeah.
It is a pity Mr. PhD he is not here. Ne ke batla ho mo jwetsa hore a palame ke re bona emang lona man. Mwanamme, I am the president wa Sesotho. I am the president. Danki habedi, danki habararo. Bonang, rona re Masandawana re a otla hape ra itshepa.
Matata King today.
Helanhle, hey banna. Le mo bone Mothiba. Le mo bone ntate Mothiba. Helanhle banna. Bona. Banna we thulang banna. Tshwara tjena ntate. Bona. Mphe monyetla wa uwa bana be. Nna ke motaung ke mohlalele ke sebata ebile ke Mosandawana ka sebele.
Happy ka coach.
Bona, I'm happy ka coach. Cardoso is going nowhere.
Yeah.
He's not a plumber.
Yeah.
Mamela, if he was not a plumber, he was not going to take us to the Club World Cup.
Gata.
Ay,
Thank you very much.